We do use Power BI dashboards to demonstrate the output or the outcomes from D365. So we're using this software. We know internally it's keeping our data very organized and reliable, but the public doesn't necessarily know that. So making use of Power BI's dashboards has been great for transparency. And because things are so organized in CRM, we're able to segment our reports. In Austin, we have a major affordability situation happening, and we know that that is impacting our community in a variety of ways, particularly Austinites who are not white. And so we're trying to demonstrate what impacts our programs have among the various stakeholders we work with. So all of our dashboards are on our website, and the data comes from our CRM, and we can show by race or ethnicity, by age, by gender, by council district, by zip code, how people are engaging or not engaging with our programs, or if they were selected or not selected for our programs. And I think that's really gone a long way to help us build community trust. And we're just like any other government, city government, where we have a lot of trust we've got to build with the community. And this is a way that we can demonstrate, like, proof is in the pudding, like we're really trying to hold ourselves accountable.
A picture can tell 1,000 stories. And so when I am standing in front of the Music Commission and walking them through who did we serve, what district are they in, and being able to have that data in one central location, and our third parties that we work with being able to dial in, input reports and information that they've gathered, it's been a game changer.
It's through the reporting and the dashboards that we're able to demonstrate our key performance indicators. Our City of Austin has a citywide strategic plan that all departments are reporting into, and we needed to be able to provide aggregated details about all of our participants. And now we're able to do that because everything's so organized in CRM. It's awesome. But that helps us achieve our KPIs, like the percent of businesses who report growing year to year, the number of jobs supported. Like, these are things that we can report out in detail because of D365. So we did recently collaborate with Sikich on a portal, and man, we are so excited about the Microsoft portal. I cannot even tell you. This whole last 2 years of the pandemic, as a city government, we're trying to get money out the door as fast as possible. Like, we couldn't spend the time to really build and design and research and do all the things we needed to do. We just couldn't. We just had to move so fast. But what that meant is that our program participants, people who needed these services from the city and this money from the city, had to go through this third party over here. Use their platform, and like, we had them all over the place. They had to go look everywhere for and log into all these different systems to get the services and money that they needed during this time of the pandemic. But what's great about Portal is that this is the one place now. We don't have to send anybody anywhere else. They just go here, this one place, and we are able, the way we designed it, based on some of the information they provide us, it reveals programs and services that they may be eligible for that they didn't know about before. So it ends up being kind of a wizard in that way. You walk your way through the portal and you discover that, oh my gosh, I might be eligible for the Creative Space Assistance Program, or I didn't know that we had navigation help, that there's a coach that can help me one-on-one. Like, it's a way for us to open up opportunities, these services that really do work, but help people see what's available to them. And all of that, of course, drops right into CRM, and it's organized and clean and reliable, and now our clients have control over their own data versus it all living behind a wall that they don't have access to. So yeah, we're really excited about Microsoft Portal. Our department, the Economic Development Department, is really aiming for community members, that's creatives, businesses, nonprofits, to engage with our programs and services, and we want them to know what's available. And the portal has been really useful for that reason, that it is a front door, and it does help you identify, sort of self-identify what is available to you, what's open right now, what programs based on the things that you've shared with us that you might be eligible for. And then we do have it so that you can click and read more about that program on the actual City of Austin website. But Portal is really our front door, and our digital front door is what we're calling it. So it's been great.